Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we introduced this build a computer assignment. So let's go back and have a look at what we were up to with that. Now you're going to notice right away that I've added another resource on this line here. Okay, I've got this assignment form, which is a Google document, and it's going to make it a lot easier for you to do this assignment. So if we have a look at this, you'll see that it's a blank template with a few sections on it. So we've got a customer section where you're going to go ahead and enter your customer name right there, so you can just replace that. We also have a section where you can put in your generic list of components. So we had talked about just a few, for instance mouse and hard drive. So we're not looking for any specifics. We don't care about the brand, we don't care about the model number, anything like that at that point. And then down here we have the area where you're going to put the specific components. So down here, this is where you might put, the mouse that you're going to use, and then down here the exact brand and model number of the mouse, and then and here's a place where you can put some sort of description or the rationale, so like the reason why you've chosen a specific model. And then lastly, here's where you would put your price. Okay. And I've only put a couple rows in. If you need to add more rows, you can simply right click on the table and then add more rows. Or in fact, you can just go to the very last cell, and if you hit tab, I believe it'll add another row as well. And then down here there's a section where you can actually total up what it's going to cost and put the total there. Okay. Now if we look at the instructions at the beginning, the first thing you're going to do is make a copy of the document and then rename it. Right. So to do that, you would simply go up to the File menu, make a copy, and then it gives you an opportunity to rename it immediately. So where it says copy of, you can just go ahead and get rid of that. Where it says full name, obviously that's where you would put your full name, and where it says course code, you would put your course code, and that's going to be either TEJ20, TEJ3E, or TEJ 3M.